So, Iram, please tell me something about yourself. What's your name? Where complete name means full name, and where do you live and what do you do? Please start.
My name is Sheikh Ira Mayub. I live in Bhiwandi and I am 18 years old.
Right.
I complete my study till 10th and uh, my dreams is I want to become a makeup artist and inshallah I will become in future
Makeup artist. Okay, right.
and enough.
Enough. Okay. You mentioned one word. You live in Bhiwandi. Bhiwandi, right? So, what are you doing here in Mumra? This is my question. Yes, please answer me.
I came here for learning English
Okay,
and
great. Yeah, people are coming from Bhiwandi. Good. Only for English, right?
there are some personal things also.
Okay. So let's go to another thing. Iram, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies is painting and reading shairis.
One. Just wait a minute. You said my hobby is. When we say is, we have to say only one hobby. But if you say my hobbies are, you can mention more than one. So my hobbies are.
Yes, my
Please continue.
hobbies are painting and uh, reading shairis, etc.
Right. Reading shairi. So can you say one shairi or one
I
poetic
don't
poetry?
remember now.
Don't remember. Okay, right. So it means this is not your hobby. See, this is your interest, I think so. Because hobby means you are actively, consciously participating, right? So you can say it's my interest, right? I'm just interested. Fine. Huh? You are also interested? Okay.